Today, I have joined the dark side. I blame myself for downloading TikTok. I blame myself for learning the Gen Z culture. I blame myself for hanging out with people younger than me. Over 18, of course. I am going to show you guys out there how to turn yourself into an eBoy. Ridiculous. Ooh woo. So you can go from this to this. Ooh, I'm so emo. You know what? I'm feeling emo today, so I'm gonna look like an eBoy. So this tutorial is super simple. All you need is some red lip tint. You probably don't know what that is because you're straight and you're watching my video right now and you're like, what the fuck are you talking about? Just find anything red that you can put on your face. Lipsticks, eyeshadows, blushes, anything. So look through your mom's makeup bag or sneak in your sister's room and just steal whatever you need to steal. I'm going to look up the definition of an eBoy on Urban Dictionary so I can learn a little bit more about the eBoy or e-girl culture. I'm not into this, but we'll do it. So the definition of an eBoy is that a boy who has black painted nails, skates, wears black clothes and jeans and beanies, and they sometimes have their hair parted down the middle. They got striped long sleeves or checkered sweaters under the t-shirts and seem to only appear on the internet, mostly Instagram and TikTok nowadays. Vans, Trasher, Zoomies, and Hot Topic are their lord and savior. Well, I don't have any of that. The only thing I have that they don't is my hemorrhoid. Okay, so this is my red lip tint. I'm going to use this for my face, and I also have this right here too that I can make my cheeks red. But if you want to really complete the look, get yourself a small eyeshadow palette like this, and I will show you guys how to get the look. So you see this part right here. Go ahead and put on some red makeup and then go ahead and blend the shit with your fingers. My cheeks are not red enough. I'm going to put on some more. This time I'm gonna go in with this right here. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and use a red lipstick. Like so. And then go ahead and blend everything out. I'm going to use a blender, but you can use your fingers too. Just remember, the redder the cheeks, the closer to fucking hell. Like this. Remember the small eyeshadow palette that I showed you guys? This is not even a palette. I don't know the term, but I'm going to dip in this really dark brown color. And then I'll go ahead and put this shit under my eyes to give yourself that super tired look, like you haven't slept in weeks and months because you're too busy flirting with other people online. That looks good. Okay, do the same thing for the other eye. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Jelly Pop face and eye gloss. You can also use a highlighter if you want. And I'm going to put this underneath my eyes. Do the same thing for this eye. I have seen some looks online and I saw a lot of people drawing like a heart under one of their eyes, like around here or here. But you think straight boys are that talented with makeup that they can draw an even heart? I don't fucking think so. So I'm going to skip that step for you guys. You're welcome. So, this is the final eBoy look that you wanna get. If you have long hair, you can part your hair. I don't have long hair. My hair is long, but it's not that long for me to part my hair. So I'm going to put on a beanie, and I'm going to put on some accessories to finish the look. Okay, put the beanie. Cannot get this shit to work. And now you just need to smell like a rat, and your hair should be looking really greasy and nasty. And there you go, you're an eBoy. But, ew, I'm just really bad at acting like straight, because I definitely do not want a goth girlfriend. So, forgive me, but at least I literally put myself at risk to make this tutorial for you guys, so you better subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and check out my other videos if you are not homophobic. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.